So today we are gonna be creating this very beautiful makeup look. पता नहीं आप लोगों को साफ कैमरा में दिख रहा होगा कि नहीं, but this is the makeup look. और I will try my best to recreate the same ऐसा एकदम बिल्कुल. Although मैं makeup करना जानती हूँ, but this type of creative makeup for the white part जो ये इसने किया हुआ है यहाँ पर अपने face पे, I am gonna be using this palette for the eye makeup. And no, this is not a sponsored video guys. So let's get started now. Things first, आपको अपने फेस को बहुत ही अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज कर लेना है. एंड आई एम यूजिंग दिस मॉइस्चराइजर. I will apply this color corrector, orange shade में इसका, क्योंकि you can see that I have some dark circles and uneven skin tone around my mouth. I'm using these two for my face and this one concealer for my eyes, just a very tiny dot. I'm not really a foundation person and I really want to try the skin tint. I just don't know my correct shade, and whenever I order foundation I always purchase the wrong shade, so I'm very nervous and particular when ordering any sort of foundation or skin tints. After this I'll be using a lighter shade of the same brand and it's in the shade Mocha. This Cupid, nose, forehead, finally going in again with this concealer. You can see very clearly in the picture that she has very well defined brows. तो हम लोग सबसे पहले brows करेंगे. I'm using this. First I will I'm done with my brows and now we will be using a setting powder. Base is done and now it's time for the hardest part. The hardest part is done and now we'll move on to the details. तो इसने आँख में she has used a pink glittery eyeshadow and I have something like that which is this shade, so we are gonna do that now. In the neck as well.
모습은 숨기고 살아야지. 사람들은 그 모습만 판단하니까. 하나 둘씩 사람들은 날 떠나가는 별거 없어.
Lipstick in the shade Hazelnut and we'll apply this in the center of our lips. light color eyeshadow, some transparent gloss, and you are done. And I'll be showing you my final look in three, two, one. So this is my final look. आई होप कि ये ट्यूटोरियल आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा एंड एक्सप्लेन अच्छे से मैंने किया होगा इस वीडियो में. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. एंड अगर आप लोगों को ऐसे और ट्यूटोरियल्स चाहिए देन डोंट फॉलो टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. बाय.